The Parliament session begins today amidst the coronavirus pandemic. All the COVID precaution measures will be in place. That means that Lok Sabha MPs will be sitting in Rajya Sabha as well to ensure proper social distancing. The session is likely to raise several issues that have cropped up in the country. This includes the India-China standoff, the state of the economy and the government's COVID management strategy as well. Now, yesterday, the Parliament's Business Advisory Committee met and the issue of India-China standoff was raised. Sources say the government is also likely to make a statement in Parliament on the standoff. The government has been under constant attack from the Congress leaders led by Rahul Gandhi over the standoff with China at the line of actual control. So that's what the Parliament will be doing or is expected to talk about when they sit down for the session today. But before that, a lot of curiosity into how Parliament will actually be functioning in midst of this pandemic. Sunil Prabhu joins us this morning for more on this. Morning, Sunil. It's going to be a session like no other, really, even for journalists to be covering. Just take our viewers through how the Parliament will function. What are the social distancing norms? Also, we are told that there won't be any breaks in this session.
Good morning, Sonal. Definitely, it's going to be an unprecedented, for the first time in the history of Parliament, when we're going to see everything sanitized. And it's going to be a very different Parliament. As you rightly said, the DRDO, right from the time they come in, vehicles of members of Parliament enter Parliament, those wheels also are going to be sanitized. Just to give you a visual kind of description, there are a lot of circles right across Parliament to show that social distancing needs to be adhered to. The fact that there will be plastic sheets, they're using the galleries, which were erstwhile, visitors' galleries. There used to be a Rajya Sabha gallery, there used to be a distinguished gallery. So they have really ensured that there will be a lot of social distancing, and they're using the first floor of Parliament to ensure that members of Parliament keep those social distancing norms. Of course, it's come a long way, Sonal, from the time when in March, when the Prime Minister at that time had told MPs that they shouldn't be seeking an adjournment and they should show that they're one with Corona warriors. Ultimately, I think good sense prevailed, and they got Parliament adjourned after they were able to remove the Madhya Pradesh government. It's in the same context, even Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, as chairperson of the House, admonishing members not to wear masks and ask them to leave the House. It's now come a full circle where all 700 MPs will have to wear masks, understanding the importance of the pandemic and the reach that it can have. So definitely unprecedented for everybody, including journalists who are not going to be allowed to use their mobile phones, lots of restrictions, lots of restricted entry, and that's how the Parliament is going to be in these coming days.
And Sunil, if we could talk about the first few days, what's the agenda that it's looking like in Parliament?
Well, in a few minutes from now, the Prime Minister will come and give his customary opening remarks for the Parliament session. But it's in that backdrop that the opposition has been wanting a discussion on the India-China standoff, the fact that 20 soldiers have lost their lives after 50 years, something that they are very, very concerned about, the fact that there has been this big standoff. That decision will be taken tomorrow. Today, as a mark of respect for one of the members of Parliament who lost his life due to COVID, Mr. Vasant, there will be a 1-hour adjournment. It's in that context that, he had said that the COVID should have been announced as a national disaster. That was his last remarks in Parliament. And then, of course, because of Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, a request for adjournment. But definitely the discussion today, of course, will be a few bills, which are basically the homeopathy bill, tomorrow the MP salary bill in the Lok Sabha, in the Rajya Sabha. Also, the Business Advisory Committee has propped up certain ordinances to be, all those ordinances will be laid on the floor of the House. So it's an action-packed because there's not going to be any break. There's not going to be any Saturday, Sunday off. And from 9 to 1 in the Rajya Sabha and from 3 to 7 in the Lok Sabha, the proceedings will take place. So we'll have to wait and watch even packed food, even for those like me who will have to cover. We'll have to be dependent on packed food that they provide. So it's definitely something that has never happened before, but these are unprecedented times, and Parliament is really meeting under a shadow of COVID, and the fact that many senior members of Parliament have requested for leave of absence because they feel that the present conditions are still not safe.